Alright, so for this one you're going to start with a D minor chord. So start with your index finger barring across the 5th fret of the high E through the A. Then you set your middle finger down on the 6th fret of the B string, ring finger 7th fret of the D, pinky 7th fret of the G. And you're going to strum down, up, and then mute. Down, up, mute. Alright. Then you're going to move to an A7 chord. So now you bar across all 6 strings in the 5th fret. Set your middle finger down on the 6th fret of the G, ring finger down on 7th fret of the A. So this strum pattern is a little funkier. You're going to strum down. So you're squeeze with your left hand, strum, and then just strum across the strings to get a dead strum. Alright, so after that, you're going to strum up, okay, then an up strum that's dead. So you've got down, dead strum, up, dead strum. And following that last up strum, the dead strum, you're going to do one more down strum. One more a little slower. So you put those two together. A little faster. Alright, then you're going to move down 2 frets to the 3rd fret. So you're going to bar across the 3rd fret, high E through low E. And you're going to set just your ring finger down on the 5th fret of the A. That gives you a G minor 7 chord. And now you're going to do both of those strum patterns just on this one chord. So you're going to do the down up with the mute. Alright, so a little slower, all of that. Alright, so let's put this all together. Alright, so to make your strums sound more staccato, make sure you're just squeezing and releasing the chords, right? So on this chord, you can squeeze and release. Now this one. So again, just squeezing and releasing the chord when you need to. Alright, I hope that helps you get a good start on this song. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe. If you're having trouble strumming songs like this, check out my website. I have a free guitar course there on strumming. I'll see you on the next video.